it's all right. So please can you come closer here, just here, right? So right here is called Zorah Nature Reserve. Means it is protected by the Ajman government since 15 years, and you can see the green forest is still existing in the UAE. All right, so it's quite like you know, unbelievable. In the middle of the sand dunes, desert, yeah, skyscrapers, we have like this kind of mangroves. So these are grey mangroves, only one species surviving in the Middle East. So, but in India, there are like more than 15 different types of mangroves, and the largest mangrove forest is called Sundarban. So yes, this is like this forest here is like 7,000 years old, and now this is nurseries for the fishes and home for like more than 100 different species of birds. Among them are some predators like ospreys, falcon, eagles, right? And flamingos, grey herons are the largest birds here. So right here we are going all the way in here. So our walkway is through a tunnel, yeah, the sand path, and then we do have bridge walk over there. It's quite beautiful, where you can feel the pure nature, right? And then after our starting point is here, the base is here. So today the water is going out. So what we're gonna do is like I'm going to take you all the way here like this, and we'll be somewhere here. So this is called, we named it as Amazon Channel.
Okay.
So in the like entry point is like quite wider, and then after narrow, and finally here is some tunnels.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna go here and then all the way back here. So this is good enough for 1 hour.
What a distance?
Sorry?
Distance?
The distance will be like up and down like 6 kilometers, something like that. So you all are ready?
Yes. Oh, real small mangroves. Oh, this is under construction.
Hello.
Hello. It's a real mangrove forest. Quest for adventure? Falcon and herons and more herons.
All right, so right here we are for kayaking, yeah. So hopefully you are strong enough, yeah, pumping your arms. So yes, here the paddle, here we do have like two different parts of paddle. The black part is called sub, and the flat part or the color part is called blade. So in the blade we have two different faces. This is called power face, where feel free is written. So feel free must be always readable like this properly, yeah, upside like this. And the back face here, yeah, this is the back face. So back face is used just as pushing brake. If the feel free is upside down, you just switch your hand and make it like this, yeah. Please do not hold paddle wider or closer. So just make sure like this much.
If you will get tired, we will call you.
Yeah, you can push our boats as well.
Keep pushing with your foot.
Be at engine.
Do you have a leash? If someone indeed get tired, do you have a leash?
Leash?
Yeah, to leash someone's boat to your boat.
Our kayak is later on connected
There actually
with
not
the
on board,
double
there are
engine.
also on kayak.
Yeah, double engine. So I'm sure both of the engines will not stop working. At least one will be working.
Okay.
Anything wrong? Once again, my name is Budi, so I'm here to help you. No problem. Yeah, so I'm going to demo you how to get on the kayak. So this is our seat on top kayak. You can grab the paddle from here, and so pull the kayak towards you like this. All right. So pull the kayak here, and then like you can dance like this. All right. So one hand here, and your knee first. It will go on the kayak, yeah. And then later on, swing your leg. We do have like couple of footstep here, and the seat here. Yeah. So the forward stroke always to go forward. Back paddle. For back paddle, we use back face. We don't use like this. Yeah, we use back face. Just push the water, hip to toe, and then this will work as a brake. So some of the places are shallow. You can use paddle tilt for pushing right or left, wherever. Yeah, avoid leaning on the sides, either left or right. So if you are into the water, yeah, no panic. I'll be there. I will rescue you. High mountain rescuer.
Everest.
Everest, right? Yeah, because of pandemic, I am here. Now I'm going to demo you how to get off from the kayak. Okay, very easy, right? And then you can come like
This
this.
is the most scariest thing.
One hand here. Very easy. We are also going this way, so we'll go as a team. Whoever are in the front, please have a look at the back for the team.
I already forget what's it all. Cover one by one. Okay. Extra paddle.
हम इधर जाएंगे.
I have a driver.
Captain.
I will just take rest only.
I want to go to this heron.
You can do?
Yes. See, white heron.
How big is it? No, I'm going to.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Heron.
His neck is more longer than him.
Yeah.
Oh,
See how many of them there? It's not too deep, see? Heron's leg almost. Okay. Okay.
okay. Okay, let's go.
I don't know.
Not dodging cars.
Hello.
Mina, say hi.
Oh, nice birds. Also the back one can turn. When I paddle, front one paddling, Back one turn. This Amazon.
Oh, give me a little bit for this tip.
Which one? Left or right?
The left one, the colorful.
Support. Okay. Kids. Back paddle. Press and push like this.
Go press and push like this. Cannot? Hey, you
I'll tell you where you are now.
main power.
Thank you.
Okay, Lana.
You got them?
Can you move?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay? We don't suck. We are powerful.
Yeah?
We are powerful. We will not stuck. Did he help us or we only one who helped?
Together, we do together.
Together. Oh, that's why it was so easy.
It's stuck, no, it's stuck there.
Okay, should we help him or should we?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, going. Yeah, going good. Yes.
No. Don't pull the water. Push the water.
Back paddle.
On the left. On the left.
Yes. Now you understand, yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Chalo, abhi.
Right. On the right.
One by one, together. 1, 2. Together.
You're talking to me? Yeah, it's not deep at all. It's because of partially swamping. This water is turning it into swamp. Oh, see the bird. Can you see the bird hiding in the bush? When it no paddle, when it stick, like Chinese boat, when it stick. Shipwreck. Smells like swamp, feels like swamp, looks like swamp. Probably this is swamp. Yeah. Oh, see the bird, see the bird. This one, busy office bird.
What's that?
This busy office bird, like my video shot with those birds walking on the ship. This is the same bird.
Recoil engine start.
Oh, shipwreck! I don't know.
Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. You need
Go to India. Go to India.
I'll go first.
We finish or we go there? Okay. Traffic jam.
Yeah, traffic jam.
See how see the jungle.
Yeah?
Yeah, real jungle.
Okay, sorry, we couldn't go because the water level is too low. It's too shallow there.
Oh,
Yeah, we'll go back and then come out there. We'll go for more away.
that was something I'm afraid of. The water ran away. That's why no It's okay. I'm controlling the situation.
We're not going forward? No, sorry, it's shallow.
Too shallow.
Too shallow. We will walk. Perfect. See, it's spinning. Your kayak is
Hello.
spinning in
Hello
your place.
again.
What? Not my fault.
Right, sir?
Oh, no, no.
Like that, like this. Like that.
Time we start 4.
4:20.
Time now. 4:20 we started.
Yeah.
I think still not 20 minutes. Maybe maximum 30 minutes.
Yeah. Go left. Dishan go right now?
Yeah, what's up, Karta?
Oh. Did you answer?
I could do both the same time. What? Hey, my hands are going red.
Girls, try to synchronize. All together left, all together right.
See, like
Boss, boss, right, left, all together. Together left. Yeah, super, super.
It's easy. If you want to do faster,
Woo.
where were you going?
I'm looking at the girls.
Oh.
It's okay, be careful.
Oh,
Okay, that's
back paddle position, back paddle. Yes. Okay, let me. Oh, it's too deep.
On the right.
Yeah, but
Are you okay?
yeah.
Yes. So one more thing we can do.
Girls, do it like vertically.
Close to the bush.
Okay. Okay. Mud? Okay. At least it was funny. Congratulations with your first paddling.
Sorry?
Congratulate you with your first paddling. Oh.
You want to make me mad. Wrong ideas with behind.
Yes.
to go this one.
This one.
This side. Sarah?
This side? He told us? Oh. We did the same mistake as the girls. So we are stuck.
No, how can you stuck when I'm here?
We are stuck, but we can unstuck for free.
You are a powerful man. How you can stuck?
You are always a powerful woman.
Break a pedal.
16:53. We are 40 minutes on the water. You're scaring people. How do you think? Why am I like this so much? Because it's really cool.
So funny, eh?
Yeah,
Sports and funny together.
yeah. Oh, falcon flying!
Yeah.
No, it's black heron.
It's only limited.
Yeah, hunting herons.
We can wait here and watch the sunset.
I understand now. What is the second man thing?
Oh, we are very fast.
You like it? Very.
Tomorrow you have muscle pain.
Yes, oh man.
Oh, sunsets. Can you give me water, please? Whew. Because my coffee comes back.
Coffee coming back?
This land should be covered by water up until the trees.
Okay, going straight.
See, a lot of herons. Oh, oh my God, how beautiful they are. Who? Huh?
Kudi or Roni? Your
Yes. What?
if you want to go keep paddling outside,
Yes.
yes.
2, 3. Huge light gray heron, see?
Oh, different color, yeah?
Yeah, light gray.
White and gray.
Yeah.
So they have 3 colors, yeah?
Yeah, I think I have mix. So slow flyer. This one's so slow flyer. He like dinosaur. Oh my, he like dinosaur.
Yeah. How does it look like him, like this dinosaur, yeah?
Yeah.
It is the mini form of dinosaur. He is finished, little remains.
Yes. This one a little bit brown. His neck is brown.
Look beautiful.
a bubble. Yeah. Those bro catch a fish.
Bro, what?
This bro from the left catch a fish. Ooh, huge one.
Bro, we come for you.
He has green legs. He has green legs. Nice. Oh, too much huge herons. See on the roots. This is all roots. Tunnel? Can we go to tunnel? Can we go to the tunnel? It's not forbidden. It's okay.
No, it's not. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Can we go in?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Fuck.
No. Okay, back paddle. Back paddle. Don't do like this. There are too many herons in front. It was hidden spot, secret beach. Oh, see on the roots, they are green.
It's under construction, yeah?
I think it's old.
What is it?
What?
That a dead boat?
The bridge for boats. Or maybe it's for walkers, because inside, in the middle, it's a growth area. They try to grow new mangrove. Yeah. And maybe it's for them. Oh, see? Oh, nice. See, total grey heron. The color of the land. We lost you and we found you.
Yay!
Is your GoPro on?
Huh? Yes. Yes.
Okay, alright. So thank you very much for coming here.
Thank you too.
The flamingos flying over there.
Flamingos?
Oh, herons, yeah?
Yeah.
Kingdom of apes. Kingdom of herons. Oh, many, yeah?
Yeah. See flamingo. This is not This is not herons. There are flamingos
Which one flamingo?
in the horizon. There
The
are
big one?
yeah,
Oh, they are very big.
and they are flamingo. Yeah.
Oh, they're too much big, yeah?
Yes.
Maybe they have size more than dog, yeah?
Of course. And also they a little bit pink.
Okay, slow. They're going a group of gangs. run like what do you say?
See their noses.
Would they fly like a plane landing? Yeah, take off.